guys, welcome to my home studio. My name is Kelly, and on my channel I like to share planner videos, art videos, recipes, DIYs, crafts, mixed media, happy meal and hauls, and sometimes I will throw in a lifestyle video. So if that sounds appealing to you, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel. So without further ado, we are going to do another installment of my recipe Nook Happynichi, as it were. And I have my House of Flynn. This is how I keep my recipes. It's a traveler's wallet. And I just love it. It fits the half sheets happy planner perfectly. So I am going to pull out a piece of paper. And I like this new Glam Girls half sheets paper. It comes in a notes, in a happy notes. You get 60 pages of it, and it is dot grid with the blue scallop, and I think it is completely adorable. So I have pulled my recipe from my Hello Kitty binder, as it were. This is it. This is just a regular size binder. I got this many years ago from the Sanrio store. It used to be right down the street from my house. Sadly, no longer here. But you can order it online. You know, I don't know if you can order that particular one, but you can order things online for Hello Kitty from the Sanrio store. Okay, I've pulled my Tombow mono drawing pens in 0.5, which I use for the title, and 0.3 I use to write out the recipe. I have also pulled the fun florals, and I actually will get maybe another book to pull from because I want to use a specific design. And I have the Happy Planner Happy Quotes. So I can pull a quote from that. And my recipe is none other than Butter Mochi. So I'm going to lay down my stickers, write this out, and then I will bring you folks back. Okay, guys, I am back. And here it is. There she blows, as it were. Butter Mochi. Oh my goodness. Now, I don't know if you're going to love me or hate me for this because it is very good and it is fattening. So there's that. But, you know, and you can't just have one little bit, you know. So that is my disclaimer, as it were. Okay, and it's super easy. So 1 pound mochiko sweet rice flour, which is about 3 cups, 2.5 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 12-ounce cans of coconut milk, 5 eggs, 4 ounces of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Mix dry ingredients in one bowl, wet ingredients in another bowl. Combine both mixtures and pour into a 9 by 13 inch cake pan. Bake for 1.5 hours. Cut and serve. And that's all there is to it. So, if you do not have access to this at the stores, and it is not really carried here that I've seen on the mainland anywhere, as opposed to if you were in Hawaii where you can get it everywhere already made. There you go. You can make it yourself. So I think this turned out super cute. I love the hibiscus. I thought that was more than befitting for this spread, and I did it on both sides, so when I do go to make it, I will take a picture, and I have the space right there. I picked out this quote, which I thought was perfect. Happy days are here, as it were. So, it's a short and sweet video, guys. And if you try it, let me know. I would love to know. And if you like to eat it, let me know in the comments below. Hope you all have a very beautiful day. Thank you ever so kindly for watching. Peace out.